If you want to start a business, you need thousands of dollars, a massive investment, or rich parents. That is the biggest lie you have ever been told about entrepreneurship. You don't need crazy money to start something. In 2026, you just need a skill. Because if you have the skill, you can build a prototype, bring your ideas to life, and test it in the real world for literally 0 rupees. Hey guys, I'm Yug. I'm co-founder of Z Thrifts. Today I'm not here to give you some theoretical lecture. I'm just a 22-year-old guy and who just built a startup with 3 of his college friends. We didn't hire any outside developer, we didn't hire any outside marketing agency, and we didn't have a massive budget. But we did build an in-house app, onboarded 80 plus amazing vendors, and grew a community of 31,000 followers on Instagram in less than 6 months. We didn't pay with money, we paid with our skills. And today I'm going to tell you exactly how we did it, including all the massive failures we had to face before we finally got it right. Let's rewind a bit. We were 4 guys who met in college. By our second year, we knew we wanted to build something, and we also had this idea of building a social media app exclusively for college students. There was just one massive problem. None of us had any skill. We didn't know how to code, we didn't know how our backend servers work. But instead of saying that we don't have the money to hire any developer, we actually became the developer. All 4 of us started learning the tech stack. It took us a lot of time, sleepless nights, and endless debugging, but finally we did it. We pushed our app onto the App Store and the Google Play Store. But it failed. But that failure was the best thing that ever happened to any of us because it taught us our first business lesson. Because all 4 of us were so buried in coding, absolutely no one was focusing on marketing or on operations. We built the whole product in a vacuum, pushed it out, and quickly realized what we did wrong. Now you might be thinking, yeah, you guys were 4 people, I'm just a single person. It really doesn't matter. Even if you're completely on your own, you just need to learn enough of a skill to build a prototype, put it out there, and see if public actually wants what you're building before you spend a single rupee on it. After the social media app, we didn't just sit around. We took those tech skills and pivoted. We started building automated trading algorithms. I know it's strange coming from a social media app and now building trading algorithms, but it is what it is. We had them running 24/7, analyzing market data, trying to beat the system, and we learned an insane amount of data handling and real time execution. But then we ran into a hard truth that a machine's rigid logic doesn't always smoothly adapt to the chaotic psychological shifts of the trading chart. So we went back to the drawing board, we sat down, everyone brought their ideas to the table, but nothing really clicked because we didn't want to build just another generic tool. We wanted to build something that felt interesting, alive, and genuinely valuable to the community. That's when the idea for Z Thrifts was born. At the time, the curation scene was fragmented and no one was really building a centralized, trusted marketplace specifically for verified thrift stores. And we saw the gap, and this time we promised ourselves that we wouldn't repeat the same mistakes that we did in the past. So instead of all 4 of us doing the exact same thing, we divided and conquered based on what we had learned. So 2 of us stayed logged in on the tech, like built the entire platform and app in house. One of us took entire responsibility of vendor handling and operations, and one of us took over marketing and content creation. Yeah, that's me. And because we structured it like a real team this time, it was entirely different. We went out and gathered over 80 incredible vendors. We built a hyper engaged community that blew past 31,000 followers on Instagram under 6 months. We didn't hire a single outside employee. Financial cost to start was almost zero, but it wasn't free. It was entirely funded by the skills that we chose to learn when we had nothing else. And look, I'm not some big industry guy sitting in a high rise office. As I said, I'm just a 22-year-old guy. I don't claim to know everything. But the one thing that I know for absolute certain is if you stop making excuses about lacking money, pick up a skill, and bring your ideas to life, you will definitely learn something valuable. And that exact learning is the foundation you need to build something massive. Believe me on that. Alright, that's all for today's video. I want to keep dropping videos like this, like real behind the scenes journey of building a startup from scratch. If you got any value out of our story or learned something new, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and comment below on what skills you are going to start learning next.